Hi friends, welcome to eCareer Plus channel. In this video, today we are going to see how to fix the battery connector in mobile phone. Before getting to the video, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click the bell icon. Today I am having Jio mobile phone. Already I have removed the battery connector from the phone. Without battery connector, we can't switch on the mobile phone. So this is what I'm going to show you today, how to fix the battery connector. Here you can see the battery connector. It is made with plastic. If we use SMD Rework station to fix the battery connector, it will be melted. There are two ways to fix the battery connector. First one, you can use the soldering machine to fix the battery connector. If you feel difficult with the soldering machine, you can also use SMD Rework station to fix the battery connector. When we are using SMD Rework station to fix the battery connector, if we heat from the top, the battery connector will be melted. So we have to give the heat from the bottom of the board. Before giving the heat from the bottom, remove the keypad membrane. This is the keypad membrane. We have to remove it at first. Otherwise, the membrane will melt. Here you can see the excess lead on the board. So now we are going to remove the excess lead. I am using desoldering wick to remove the excess lead from the board. Remove the excess lead firmly. Concentrate on 3 pins particularly. Now I have removed the excess lead from the board. Now I'm going to use IPA solution to clean. Spray some IPA solution and brush it well. And wipe it with a cloth. Here you can see the board clearly after removing the excess lead. This is the battery connector board. Here you can see the positive negative pin. This is the positive pin and this is the negative pin. At times it may be interchanged. At center you can see the pin which is called sense pin of the battery. These are the lead pins of the battery. Now I am going to apply a new lead on pins. Apply the lead only on the pin top. Lead applying process completed. Then I'm going to fix this battery connector on these pins. Again, I remind you, today I'm going to heat the board from the bottom to connect the battery connector, to fix the battery connector by using SMD Rework station. Before fixing, apply some amount of lead on connector also. Apply on the top of both leg pins, positive pin, negative pin and the sense pin also. Now I am going to fix the board on a PCB holder. While fixing, pull up the board little bit out because we need some space to heat from the bottom. Now fix air to and heat 300 to 350 in SMD Rework station. Let's start now. I'm going to melt the lead from the bottom. Check it thoroughly whether the lead is melting or not. Here you can see the lead is melted. Now I am going to fix the battery connector. While fixing, fix it properly. Check the pins whether you are fixing it on a right side or not. Do not stop heating till it fixes firmly. Now it's done. We have fixed the battery connector without melting. At the bottom also you can see there won't be any damage in the board. Just keep one thing in your mind. While heating, do not hold the nozzle too close to the board. Just hold it with a little space. Here you can see the battery connector is being fixed nicely because of we heated it from the bottom. In this board, there is no ICs at the bottom. In case if there is any IC means you have to give heat, you have to fix the IC from the top only. At that time, you can use micro soldering for soldering purpose. Now I am applying some lead on leg pins and plus and minus pins to fix it strongly. Now let's check the board whether it is able to on or not. I'm connecting the battery connector with the DC machine supply. Now you can see the phone is switched on. You can see the display is on now. When you give heat from the bottom, the track line also will be safe. So today we have seen how to fix the battery connector in mobile phone. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.